Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended higher on Monday ahead of the RBI bi-monthly policy tomorrow. There are expectations that RBI may keep interest rates unchanged. The manufacturing PMI for the month of May rose to a 3-month high of 51.4. However, output price index increased although input prices fell, which indicates that price pressures remain in the system. The Sensex was up around 2% to close at 24,684 and the Nifty ended at 7,362. Last week, the Indian markets were down around 2%, which may have led to some buying at lower levels. Among individual stocks, it was Larsen & Toubro, which was up 6% after it posted a 71% jump in the net profit. Among other gainers were ONGC and Bharti Airtel. They were up around 5% each. Reliance Group companies were also in focus as they made sharp gains. Reliance Infra was up 5%, Reliance Capital gained 10% and Reliance Communications was up 2%. State-run banks were up after a Bloomberg report that the government was working on creating a holding company that will be a repository of its stake in the state-run banks. State Bank of India was up 4%, IDBI Bank and Canara Bank, they were both up around 6%. Auto companies announced their sales numbers today. Hero MotoCorp gained 2% after May sales rose around 8%. Also, Morgan Stanley today upgraded the stock. Maruti Suzuki was up around 2% after it posted around 16% increase in its sales for the month of May. Suzlon Energy was up 10% after it turned operationally positive in the March quarter. Also, its net loss narrowed in the just ended March quarter. So far, foreign institutional investors have put in around $17 billion into the Indian markets. With gains of around 17%. Sorry, it has put in around $7 billion into the Indian markets with gains of around 17%. All eyes are on the RBI policy and markets will take cues from there. That is all for today. Thank you for joining.